Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto on FB markets. Right now we have the chart opened right here and we want to buy Bitcoin, just for example. What we're gonna do right here is we go here to symbols, and then if you click here on symbols, you can search here or click on cryptocurrency, but you also can type in the currency that you want to trade with. So let's say we want to trade with Bitcoin. We click now here on Bitcoin, and now we have the chart open standing right there. What we need to do now is very simple. We click here on new order, select here how much Bitcoin we want to step in, or how much we want to open or trade. This is fine for now. And then you can also put a stop loss or take profit on it to do on risk management. It's very important to do that. And then after that, just click right here on buy market. And now if you can see, we created our position right here on FB markets. So this is how you can buy crypto on FB markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.